I got kicked out by Ikea. I need a clickbait title. Anyone see Paul? Anyone see Paul? Which Paul?
Let's see how I sound it. Help! I sound it. Please move me out, please.
Bye.
I can't get out. I ripped
You are
it
lying when
off.
you come Ikea and you don't take a free pencil.
I ripped it.
Okay, one of them has take off them. I can't take it.
Are you serious?
Hey, Europe.
I know.
Boo.
Oh my god, I'm frightened.
Hey Jess, how's life?
So far, so good.
Mom, can I buy a dragon?
No.
Oh. Jess, which chair do you like the most? This or this?
This.
Why are you so biased? Have you watched the new Pixar movie? The new Pixar movie?
Sure. Hey, have you seen Adele? Because clearly she left her song over here. What's the one thing you don't say when you take someone out on a date?
What?
Would you want to marry me? Shout out to the dude who cut me off at the traffic. Can you move faster?
Have you heard of singer Ariana Grande?
Can you stop being an asshole, man? You guys have a paper and pencil? Because I need to draw her.
Jess,
Yes.
you are special to me.
I can't handle myself. I can't believe you did it to me. You trusted me.
Let me present you Disney Pixar's Up.
Hey man, have you seen my mom?
Guys, do you need a time manager?
Baby, grind on me.
Japan was awesome. You deserve a compliment.
This is too wide. I think you need to tan him.
Oh, you look like a baby.
Great feel.
I should probably adopt a baby. Oh god, why is this guy here?
I want to get in Japan where I can find something hot in there. Hey, this bed is perfect for humping.
That's right. I think you have to.
Jess, why are you so girly? This is him, do not buy this thing. Someone call 911. There's a kidnapper here. Jen, would you mind taking a photo for me?
Okay,
I'll take the photo for you. M-I-C-K-E. Why?
Jen, hug me brother.
I'm the perfect, and this is shopping cart.
I don't like to be pushed around.
First try.
I am the one.
I don't need the guns.
Hey Jess, want to drink some Starbucks?
What's another word?
Hey, I can't tolerate the pun. Jess,
What?
not to do cocaine. You'll go to jail.
They are talking more. Okay, they are talking more. You may not.
Hey, please like the video.
No, I don't want to die like this. There's so much to live for.
Really?
I just came out from my mom's womb.